Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. With Christmas on the way, I thought it would be a good time to do a little bit of a pronunciation tip for the Māori translation of Santa Claus. So this is a transliteration. So when I talk about transliteration, it's just the sounds from a word in English are transferred to the most similar sounds in Te Reo Māori. So there isn't an S in Māori. So for example, my name Sharon is translated into Māori usually as Harana because there's no S. So Santa is translated as H here instead of the S. And because you can't have N and T together in Te Reo Māori, because these consonants are always followed by a vowel, the T isn't there, so it's Hana for the sound of Santa, and then Kōkō for the sound of Claus. Hana Kōkō, Hana Kōkō, and when you're pronouncing it, just remember the pronunciation of the vowels, A and O, Hana Kōkō, Hana Kōkō, and you'll see it all through this book, so you can hear it being pronounced correctly. E hia ngā moe, how many sleeps, kia tai mai, and that's till the arrival of Hana Kōkō. So that's a good place to practice it. Ka kite.